Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get transfer PIN from AT&T. Request your number transfer PIN close to the time you submit the transfer request to the new provider. You can use a single number transfer PIN for all numbers that are on the same account. The number transfer PIN will expire a few days after you request it. If you need a new one from your AT&T mobile device called Port, follow the prompts to get your number transfer PIN sent to you via text. Sign into the AT&T app. Choose More and then Manage Profile. Select People and Permissions. Scroll to Transfer Phone Number and select Request a New PIN. Your number transfer PIN will display on the screen. Go to People and Permissions in your My AT&T profile. Select Wireless. Scroll to Transfer Phone Number and select Request a New PIN. Your number transfer PIN will display on the screen. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.